I'm to share with you some journals that I've made, and these are, there's 3 of them. They're all going to be listed in my shop for sale, and each one is like a Faux Midori cover, and in each one you have got 2 traveller's notebooks. They're not decorated, but they've got some lovely papers and stuff inside. So we have journal, journey and timeless treasures, and let me just read out the measurements to you. Right, each one has a total of 152 pages front and back. They all measure 8.5 by 5, and they have a 1 1/4 inch spine. Each one has eyelets, and there's 2 elastics obviously to hold the traveller's notebooks. The traveller's notebooks in each one are more or less the same, just might be the actual covers on them might be slightly different, because I'm only going to show one, because otherwise it's just going to take ages. So you can see the 3 different covers, and I'll go into this one in depth in a minute. I am going to put journals like this on a custom order, but I'm only going to put 2. So if you get it, you get it. If you don't, I'm really sorry, because I can only just make so many, and my brain gets dead when after making like so many journals that are more repetitive. So there will be 5 altogether, but these 3 are ready to go, and 2 will be custom order. So I'll set these 2. I'll just show you it. And that is the back, and this one's got black elastic, but that is the cover of that one, and that is the cover of this one, and then there is this one, and this has got the gold elastic. So I've done some collaging. I've used the collage collection from ARTYmaze, and I think I don't know if it's the collage 1 or the collage 2, I can't remember which one's which now. So I've done some collaging there. This has been sewn on. This was actually from one of her journal card downloads, ARTYmaze. These are Tim Holt's book plates, and the words are all from ARTYmaze, and they're a freebie on her website. And then I've just put some bling on there. This will be quite quick to go through these. See if I can get this undone without it going in a knot. There is obviously eyelets and organza ribbon as a closure. It's 2 layers of cardstock, and in the middle, like from about here to here, there is Tyvek, so that the spine doesn't give in, because obviously it will be used quite a lot, and because it's a thicker spine, then obviously when I do the smaller ones, I just wanted to make sure that it was reinforced. So right, each one, like I said, has 2 traveller's notebook inserts, and that is the inside. Again, that's designer cardstock. I'm so used to saying digital paper that to think about that. So this is the cover of this one, and obviously that's how you take it out through the elastics. They've got pockets, and I'll do a quick flip. Each of them will have got some crocheted trim on them as well. I've done some stenciling. You've got a paper bag. You have an Edith Holden. There's some vintage digital ephemera, some music paper, lined paper, the crocheted trim on there. This is ARTYmaze's collage digital paper. Some French ephemera from the old design shop. This is ARTYmaze's again, paper bag, some vintage music paper, some digital vintage printables from the old design shop, I think, some digital music, centre of signature. Now each one has, I had that written, where did it go? Yeah, obviously with the two traveller's notebook in each one, each traveller's notebook has 76 pages front and back, but because you've got 2, it's 100 and something, what did I say, 102 pages front and back. And you can add your own strings on elastic to these and add more if you wanted to, like more signatures or inserts. Paper bag. Little pocket here with the Edith Holden, and then you can write on there the side of the paper bag, and then we have another pocket, so that is that one, and then that just slips straight back in there like so, because it's good because you can take them out and work on them without them being like in the cover, especially when you're doing writing or artwork. So that's the cover of this one, and obviously you can decorate them to your little heart's content. So we've got a pocket there, some more of ARTYmaze's collage digital kit, paper bag, some Edith Holden, some more of this digital ephemera from the old design shop, some crocheted trim, this lovely page. Lots of shimmer on these pages as well. I sprayed them all with some coffee shimmered water. Oops, a little bit glued there. Centre of the signature, and like I said, the other some little spongy bits that fell off my ink thingy bobber. I can't remember, a dauber, whatever you want to call it. Some more digital music paper. Yeah, like I said, the papers are more or less the same, I think. Yes, I think they all are. They're all from the collage collection. Obviously stenciling will be slightly different because you never get that the same twice. Well, I don't anyway. Another little pocket there, and paper bag. And then that's that one, and you've got the pockets in there so you can tuck things inside there. So that is that one. Like I said, I'm not going to show you all the others because they're just the same. It's just a waste of time. This is journal, this is journey, and then this is timeless. So and then I will put two more on custom order, and I think I'll let you choose what you want to call it, whether it's timeless, journey or journal. So the links will be below. If you have any questions, just ask, and I will be back shortly. I've got another video to do after this. I'll be back to show you another journal. So bye for now.